How to find bus routes in Google Maps. So you can actually go and find bus routes in your Google Maps depending on the destinations that you pick. So go to Google Maps, and I already have a location here. So we're just going to hit directions, and when it says your location, we're going to pick something here. Let's just pick this one here. And what that's going to do is it's going to give you the directions for your drive like it normally will, but we can actually swipe this up. And what we can do is go ahead and hit the bus icon right next to the car icon. And this is going to show you some of the public transit options that are available to get to that location. But if you really want to pay attention, it also gives you ride service as well, just in case you were to get an app for an Uber, for a Lyft, just in case you didn't want to get something from the public transit. It's real easy to go through and get a better idea of how long it's going to take depending on the way you want to travel. And that's it. That's how you would go about finding bus routes in Google Maps.